Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to log out and switch accounts in COD Mobile. Let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your Android phone and open the COD Mobile app. Make sure you're logged into the game with your current account. Step 2. Once inside the game, tap on the Settings icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. In the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Legal and Privacy option. Tap on it to open more options. Step 4. Within the Legal and Privacy menu, you'll see the Logout option at the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and a confirmation message will appear. Click OK to confirm, and wait a few seconds for the game to log you out automatically. Step 5. Once you're logged out, you'll be taken back to the login screen. Here, you will see multiple login options. If you want to switch accounts, simply select the account. For example, select Google and choose the account you want to use. Wait a few seconds, and you'll be successfully logged into your new account. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.